Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to leave a Trello board. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who no longer want to be part of a Trello board. So make sure to stick around just because this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. Let's go ahead and get started. So here I have a mock demo Trello boards. And on the bottom here, I want to go ahead and leave this Celebrity Insight Celeb Space Guest Workspace. So let's go ahead and actually enter the board that you want to leave. Next, what you're going to do is that on the upper right hand side, you're going to see these three dots. Go ahead and click on these three dots and then scroll down to where it says leave board. So once you click on leave board, let's see what happens. You're going to receive this confirmation that says leave board. You will be removed from all cards on this board. So go ahead and click on leave board. Now, as you can see, the prompts on this board have actually changed, and there you have it, the board not found. This board may be private. If someone gave you this link, they may need to share the board with you or invite you back to their workspace. So if we go back onto Trello, you'll see that we are no longer part of that board. So this is the best and easiest way that I found to actually go ahead and leave a Trello board. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.